Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Notepad. So go ahead and open up the Notepad application on your PC, guys. And once you're inside that application, let me move it here to my other screen so that you can see it. Here it is. So once you're here, all you have to do is just type whatever you want. So let's say I want to say how to use Windows 11, right? So let's say that. And let's say I want to make something out of this. I can highlight this, but guess what? If you look towards the upper right hand side, you have a Microsoft Copilot logo, right? And it says Copilot Preview. You can click this drop down and you can rewrite, you can summarize, you can make shorter, you can change tone, you can do whatever you want, change format, whatever. So depending on what you're writing in the notepad, you can use the power of AI to do this. Keep in mind, once you go ahead and you click on, for example, to rewrite, you will need to sign into your Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account so that you can easily go ahead and use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly sign in so that you can see. So I'm going to click on my email address there, click on continue. And from here, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and you will see I need to send a code here to my account once more. And let me go ahead and enter that new code. Keep in mind that if you haven't signed into your Microsoft account for a while, you might need to change password, and that's what I had to do for a moment. But once you sign in to your account, guys, but what I want to mention that once you sign into your account, you will need to, for example, you will need to have a subscription to be able to use this. So you can go ahead and you can view the plans here, the different plans here. You can just simply get Microsoft 365 account. You have different plans here that you can choose, and you can choose if you want to pay monthly or you want to pay by yearly. It's really up to you. But once you have a subscription here, O365 subscription, you can use the power of Microsoft Copilot to summarize and to do whatever you want within the Notepad++. And that's it.